So the seagull made it across the road, and it's now deciding to take a stroll around Union Square. We're friends now, even though he's trying to run away from me. Something is wrong with this seagull. Hi, Seagull. Oh, where are you going now, Seagull? What are you gonna do now? Huh? What are you gonna do now, Seagull? Oh no, you're not gonna try to cross the road again, are you? Seagull, you are so far away from home, Seagull. Here, it's crossing time if you want. Oh no. Seagull! Seagull, no. Seagull. You're really gonna try to cross this bitch again, huh? Seagull, that's not the crosswalk. Seagull! Come on, Seagull. Seagull. This is too much for me right now. Seagull. Oh, we're coming to the Park 55 Wyndham now, huh? You want to rent a room, huh? Seagull, what's your story? Where are you gonna go now, Seagull? What's your plan? What's your plan, Seagull? Oh no. What now? What now? I feel like I'm too involved with your life to let you go right now. The seagull is my new friend and I really want to take it home. Seagull. Seagull, Seagull, Seagull. Careful. You're on the ledge, Seagull. I don't think you can fly. Come on. Come on, Seagull. Come on. Walk with me. Come on. Seagull. Come on. Come on, Seagull. Come on. This is my friend Seagull. This is a brave seagull. Seagull, you must be so lonely and sad. Like, all of your seagull friends and family are still at the beach and you're downtown. Maybe this is like some sort of Disney movie where the seagull has this dream of coming to live downtown. Oh, it's just sitting there. Oh, it's just gonna sit. It's just chilling. This seagull is just absolutely chilling. Hi, Seagull. How's it going? I'm lonely too. My husband's gone. Do you want to move in with me, Seagull, and be my friend? You can come back to work with me. I'm sure you could just sit there and be a good little seagull while I'm at work. Seagull, what is your plan? Are you gonna go back, or... I mean, what's your plan, Seagull? Do you have ears? Can you even hear me? I don't see any ears on you, Seagull. How do you hear? How do eagles hear? Seagulls. How do seagulls hear if they don't have ears? How do birds hear? I've never seen ears on birds. Seagull, come on. Come on, Seagull. Seagull. Okay, the movie's gonna end for a minute, and I'm gonna see if the seagull's gonna come with me. We'll start filming again.